Alright, y'all, this video is gonna go out to Sarah since she don't trust and believe that I was gonna post it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna sing Nightingale by Demi Lovato. I can't sleep tonight, wide awake, so confused. Everything's in line, but I'm bruised. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I've never seen the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Need you to answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home, I need a star to follow, I don't know. I've never seen the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be a nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be a sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. I don't know what I'd do without you. Your words are like a whisper cutting through. As long as you were here with me tonight, I'm good. Can you be my nightingale? Feels so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, I'm a sanity. Bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale.